Mike Hughes here. I'm at Atlantis, Philippines, and I'm here with Les, and you want to tell us a little bit about Atlantis?
Sure do. Atlantis is the premier dive operation in the Philippines with 2 resorts located in notable diving locations and a liveaboard. So our resorts are located at Atlantis, Puerto Galera, about 90 miles south of Manila. There you're diving the Verde Island Passage, which scientists have proven to be the most biodiverse place on Earth for inshore marine fisheries, which as divers, that's what we're looking at. The reefs are colorful, healthy, coral all the way up to the beach, and you'll also get to dive the center of marine activity, and that's called Verde Island itself. Our other resort is Atlantis Dumaguete, where you'll enjoy world-class critter diving, as well as Apo Island with its 440 species of coral, and we also go to Aslab and snorkel with whale sharks. Our liveaboard goes to famous places like Tubataha. A wonderful itinerary is Cebu, Malapascua, and also the Visayas area of the Philippines, central Philippines, is called Bohol. We also do custom charters. So please consider Atlantis when you're thinking about your Philippine vacation. You'll never regret it. We do a wonderful job.
Thank you. And if they want more information about, well, we can see the whale shark right down here on the picture. But if they want more information, where do they go to?
Well, please call Les Corkle at 219-928-8846 or les.corkill@atlantishotel.com.
AtlantisHotel.com. That's what we were watching. Thank you very much.
Thank you.